Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing a 15-minute standard workout. Also, we are doing research for a new program, so if you'd like to help us out, the information is in the description below. Alrighty guys, it is time for some Viennese Waltz. We're gonna start with our feet together, left foot going forward. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, forward, 2, 3, back. Keep going. Forward together, back together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. We're gonna take it to the side. Go. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Very good. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Very good. Get ready. We're going to go forward, back, side, side. Forward, back, side, side. Forward, back, side, side. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Again. Last time. And get ready. Box step, left foot forward, go. 1, 2, 3, right foot back. Foot forward, right foot back. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Very good. We're gonna turn the box. Keep going. And done. Very good, guys. Alrighty. It is time for some Foxtrot. Get ready. We are going to go swing forward and back. Get ready. We're going to put our arms here. And slow. Quick, quick, back. Slow. 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 Quick, quick, slow. Keep this up. Very good. If you notice, when I go forward with that left elbow, then right. Left elbow, right. Slow. Quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Very good. Stop right there. And we're going to switch now. We're going to bring that left one forward. First, get ready. And 5, 6, 7, and slow. Slow. Very good. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Keep it up. Quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. This is the last one. And stop. Very good. We're going to have side taps. We go. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. 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 Very good. Get ready. Get your frame. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Slow, slow. Quick, quick. Do it again. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, slow. 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 And very good, guys. We're going to go back. Here we go. Right foot going forward. 5, 6, 7, and slow. Quick, quick, back. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. And slow. Quick, quick, slow. Very good. We're gonna stop right there. Very good. Get ready to change the foot. 5, 6, 7, go slow. Quick, quick, slow. Right elbow forward, left elbow. Right elbow, left elbow. Right elbow, left elbow. Right elbow, and left. Very good, guys. And relax, shake those arms out. Okay, we are back at the Viennese Waltz. We did everything on our left leg. So guess what? We're gonna do everything now on our right leg. Get ready. Here we go. Right leg forward. Oh, 1, 2, 3, back. 2, 3, forward. 2, 3, back. Forward, back, forward. If you notice, this song is faster than the first song we played. So, smaller steps. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Keep this up. Get ready. We're gonna go to the side. Side, 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 side. Keep going. Breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Get ready. Forward, back, side to side. Forward, back, side, side. Forward, back, side. Do it again. Forward, back, side, side. Forward, back, side, side. Forward, back, side, side. Forward, back. Box, go. Forward, side, back. 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, keep those steps nice and tidy. Very good. And done. Whew. All right, guys. It's time for some quick steps. Get ready. We're gonna do some chassés. And 5, 6, 7, and quick, quick, slow. 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 Keep this up. Get ready. We're gonna pick up those arms. Go. Slow. Landing softly. Slow. Soft. Soft. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna go like this. And slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. You can jump it and let that leg come out, or point, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Get ready. Back to the chassé, go. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Keep that frame. Quick, quick, slow. Very good. Get ready. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow. Again, you can do taps, tap, 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 tap. Keep holding that frame. Keep going, guys. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Very good. Whew. Nice deep breath. All right, we are back again at the Viennese Waltz. We did our right. We're gonna travel back to our left now. Get ready. Again, it's fast. Small steps, go. 1, 2, 3, back, forward, 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 2, 3, back, 2, 3, forward, 2, 3. Very good. You can relax your arms. I'm giving you a little break just because it's so fast. Get ready. Side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Keep going, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, guys. Breathe in through your nose and out of your mouth. Forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side. If you don't know what to do with your arms, that's okay. You can put them on your hips. Give them a little rest. Get ready. And back, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, forward, 2, 3, back, 2, 3. Woo! This is fast. Keep it up. My legs are burning. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. If you need to stop and take a breath, do it. And then join us back. And forward and back. Forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, and done. Alrighty, guys. Woo. It is tango time. Get ready. We're gonna step forward with that right foot. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, we go, and slow, and slow, and slow. Bring it back, slow, back, slow, forward, and slow, and slow, and slow, and slow. Keep good up. Woo, tita, and woo. Bring it back. Woo, tita, woo. Bring it forward. Tap, and tap, tap. And sub. Very good. We're gonna go into some rocks. Left foot coming forward. 5, 6, 7, and quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, close. Quick, quick, slow. Bring it back. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Forward, 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 side together. Back, back. Get ready for a frame. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, again, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, get ready for the tap, and slow, slow, and slow, slow, and slow, bring it back, and slow. I did too many forward, guys. We'll do one more back. Back. Very good. Forward. 1, only 2. Now bring it back, back, and back. Very good. Alrighty, guys. Last but not least, we have another Viennese Waltz. We did our left, then we went to our right, and we went back to our left. So guess what? Back to our right. Get ready. Again, it's fast. Small steps. Deep breath in through your nose and out of your mouth. Get ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, forward, 2, 3, back, forward. Small steps, light. Keep it under your body. 1, 2. Keep this up. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 5, 6, 7, and to the side, go. Very good. Keep this up. Side, 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 side. You can relax your arms, or if you're ready to let them burn, for the last few seconds we have, you can bring them up. Hold them. Very good. Get ready. Forward and back, go. Forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side, forward, back, side, side. Get ready. We're gonna box. Forward, back, forward, back, forward side together, back side together. Woo. And forward and back, forward, back, forward, back, forward, back. You can do it. Side. Keep it up. And 5, 6. Forward, back, side, side, go. Forward, back, side, side. Awesome job. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.